WellVeraVida GLP-1 Drops Review. Is it legit or a scam weight loss drops? So, the WellVeraVida GLP-1 drops are marketed as a weight loss aid, claiming to mimic the effects of the prescription GLP-1 agonists. So, using a natural oral formula, they promise appetite suppression, metabolism's boosted, and effortless weight loss, all without injections. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it has an appealing concept. The oral GLP-1 like drops sound attractive for those avoiding injections. They also have marketed for convenience. Dropper format suggests simple, capsule-free dosing. They also tap into the GLP-1 trend, aligning with the current weight loss buzz around the GLP-1 medications. However, there are some cons to consider. There's no verifiable product data or reviews. It's likely part of a misleading GLP-1 supplement. They also have marketing red flags. There's no regulatory approval or transparency, and they have a high risk of placebo and deception. So, Velvera, Vida, and GLP-1 drops lack proof of legitimacy. There's no verifiable information, ingredient transparency, or trustworthy customers. So, if you're exploring the GLP-1 effects for weight loss, consider consulting a medical professional.